Eating corn regularly has many benefits. Corn contains 7 kinds of anti-aging agents, which can effectively prevent and treat constipation, enteritis, intestinal cancer, heart disease, and other diseases. Today, let's make poached egg corn soup. Follow my channel and save this recipe now. Ingredients are broccoli, corn, carrot, tomato, and eggs. Sliced carrot, tomato cut half, cut corn into sections, cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. Crack eggs into bowl and set aside. Fry eggs. Add 1 big bowl hot water and put into boil. Add corn. Add carrot slices. Add tomatoes. One teaspoon each of salt and chicken powder, pinch of pepper powder. Add broccoli. Sprinkle spring onion. This soup is delicious. Give it a try. Poached eggs are rich in nutrients. Poached eggs contain vitamin A, vitamin D, B vitamins, etc., which are all necessary vitamins to maintain normal body activities. For example, if the human body is deficient in vitamin A, it will affect vision, and if the human body is deficient in vitamin D, it will lead to osteoporosis or rickets. This soup is very nutritious. Just make this recipe when you don't want to stir fry. It has soup and vegetables to eat. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah. Vinegar can not only promote elimination and lower blood pressure, it also helps soften blood vessels, reduce cholesterol, and prevent cardiovascular disease. Today's recipe is for vinegar chicken nuggets. Ingredients are chicken, spring onion, and ginger. Chopped onion, white onion, green, and place in 2 separate bowls. Chopped ginger. Stir-fry chopped ginger and onion white. Add chicken cubes and stir fry. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons black vinegar and stir fry. Add onion green and stir fry. Black vinegar chicken is done. It's delicious with sweet sour tastes. Give it a try and share with your family. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Black vinegar has the effects of strengthening the spleen, losing weight, appetizing, digesting, and beautifying the skin. Black vinegar is rich in amino acids and minerals, which can lower blood lipids, lower cholesterol, reduce blood viscosity, expand blood vessels, and prevent cardiovascular diseases. It can enhance the bactericidal ability of the gastrointestinal tract, promote food digestion and absorption. It can accelerate metabolism, eliminate fatigue. It can enhance kidney function, adjust the acid-base balance of blood, and improve human immunity. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.